Nestled in the corner of Washington State lies one of the quietest places. This is the Hoh Rainforest. Carving through the moss-covered trees and dense forest floor is the Hoh River. Fed by a blue glacier on Mount Olympus, it runs nearly 50 miles before reaching the Pacific Ocean. Each year reshapes the land, carves new channels, and sustains wetland where elk and other wildlife thrive. When the salmon return from the ocean, they swim upstream to spawn, feeding not only the river, but eagles, bears, and the forest itself. The Hoh is one of the largest temperate rainforests in the continental United States, a rare remnant of one stretched across the Pacific Northwest. But here, rain is life. More than 14 feet fall onto its canopy every year. But the story is changing. The glaciers that feed the Hoh River is shrinking. Less snowpack melts into the valley, and longer, hotter summers dry out the creeks. Without that steady pulse of water, the rainforest itself could be at risk. The silence we hear today may not last forever. And yet, even as its future grows uncertain, life here continues to flourish. Along the creeks and lowlands, stone glisten in the sunlight. Sword ferns blanket the forest floor, their dense understory shaping the rhythm of the ecosystem and signaling the health of the forest itself. Rising above them are lady ferns, among the largest fern species in the Pacific Northwest, offering shelter and protection to birds and small mammals beneath their broad fronds. Stumps and fallen logs become nurse beds, hosting fungi, insects, and seedlings, recycling old growth into new life. Moss and lichen drape thick from the branches, transforming the forest into something otherworldly. They build soil, enrich the air, and signal the purity of this place. From the forest floor to the highest branches, every layer carries its part of the story. In the swampy areas, frogs call and insects thrive. Skunk cabbage scatters across these wetlands, its yellow blooms the first sign of spring. It feeds pollinators when little else is available, and anchors the soil beneath the water's edge. Beyond these wetlands lies one of the best preserved old-growth rainforests in the Northern Hemisphere, recognized as both the World Heritage Site and Biosphere Reserve. The Hoh absorbs carbon, regulates water cycles, and sustains Roosevelt elk and wild salmon. Some of the trees are estimated to be thousands of years old, and they still stand, towering guardians of a forest that has endured for centuries. Ancient Sitka spruce and western hemlocks rise hundreds of feet into the air. Big leaf maples stretch wide, draped in moss, reminding us how small we are. Beneath their canopy, the forest floor thrives. Ferns unfurl, moss carpets fallen logs, seedlings push towards the light. Here, in the Hoh, silence is never empty. It's the sound of a forest still alive.